Currencies in the world of altcoins, beyond Bitcoin. In the thriving world of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin has established itself as the first and most well-known coin. However, beyond Bitcoin, there exists a world of alternative cryptocurrencies, or altcoins, each with its unique features and goals, enriching the landscape of this domain. Why did altcoins emerge? Despite the revolutionary impact Bitcoin had on the financial sector, it suffers from certain limitations. Scalability, transaction speed, and fees are among these challenges. Bitcoin transactions can be time-consuming and costly, limiting its widespread use in everyday payments. In contrast, altcoins emerge to address these limitations and provide innovative solutions. The diversity and innovation in altcoins are clearly evident. Considerations. Before investing in altcoins. Investing in altcoins requires thorough research, awareness of the associated risks, and a cautious approach. Thorough research. Before investing, fully investigate the project. Diversification. Spread your investments among different altcoins. Risk management. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Conclusion. Altcoins offer a world of opportunities. With thorough research, awareness of the risks, and a smart approach, you can take advantage of these opportunities for profit and participate in the innovations of this sector. Remember, there is no guarantee of profit in altcoins. Always conduct your research and be fully aware of the risks involved before investing.